Today I'm going to show you some of the general features of our ITMs. What we have here is our internal model of the ITMs. This is what you'll see in the lobbies. We do have an external model that is outside in our drive-thrus. Those are a little bit different, but for the most part the same. The internal models have a cash drawer right here to enter in your cash. As you can see, no coin. This machine does not accept coin. We can put checks in here, and then over here we do have the ability to scan an ID. So if you're working with a teller through the video tellering, you can scan your ID to verify yourself. Our outdoor models will have just a place for cash and check. They will go into the same bundle. You don't need to separate the cash from the check, so you can just put it all in there. We're going to go ahead and get started. So we're going to touch the screen to begin. I can request teller assistance if I don't have my debit card and it's during open hours, or if I don't know how to use the machine and I want somebody to walk me through it. That's an option. But today I'm just going to go ahead and use it. So I'll enter in my Park City debit card. From here, I will enter in my PIN. It asks me if I want to see my available balances. I don't today. One of the cool features of this is that you are able to adjust the screen whether you're shorter or taller. I'm a little bit on the shorter side, so I'll keep it down at the bottom. It goes over all my different options. So I can get cash, I can make a deposit, I can fast cash, which is typically what you're used to seeing on ATMs when you want to withdraw a nice even amount. I can make a payment, I can make a transfer, cash a check, or do a balance inquiry. Again, if you need help, the button's down here. It's going to ask me again right here if I need help. It's been a little bit since I touched anything, so it's just making sure. So from here, yes, this is all the things I can do, and I'll be posting more demonstrations on how to use all of these features specifically, but that's just a quick overview of all the things you can do on our ITMs.